Not a morning person, and we were supposed to be registering at 9-ish. It's almost 9:30.
Yeah, it is.
We got first gear, half of it.
I'm enough, right?
Not that bad. Everyone always makes it sound like the car is really loud. It's not that loud, I don't think.
Go straight back off to the right there, like straight that way.
All right.
And they'll show you where to register.
Thank you.
Thank you. Appreciate you coming out.
Hopefully the rain holds up.
Yeah.
I try not to. I was afraid it was gonna be all muddy when I pulled in there. Finally made it though.
Yeah, that's right. Why does it say North Star on the engine? Is it North Star just if you crash, you can call them?
That's OnStar.
Oh God.
But yeah, like I was saying, I'm pretty sure this is the one that they actually assemble in the Corvette factory in Bowling Green,
I believe it.
which is really cool. Ice was growing on me slowly. It's just it's the way it like slopes down that's kind of
very
iffy.
European.
Yeah, it is.
Make it seem smaller too.
But I mean,
Kind of
because
like-
before that was all like straight up and down, which made the
Yeah.
headlight bigger. But now they like sloped it, changed it a little
Yeah,
bit.
they cut that out and they got all these
Yeah.
vents and lights everywhere.
I still the back of it is still my favorite part of it. Do you see it yet?
What am I looking for? Is that the Mercedes sign? Is the steering wheel?
No, look at what does that blue valve cover say?
Oh my God.
Now you know. Didn't see that coming.
The Germans even did it well back then.
Yeah. So yeah.
The whole cabin is this long.
That's cool.
Where the shift lever is.
Oh, I feel like that was. But I don't know.
Oh, and that's supposed to look like a snake.
That's really cool.
Freaking nuts. I didn't realize how big these are.
Yeah.
That's a long hood.
Oh yeah. If I needed a sedan, I would buy one. Cause I love these.
If you look at mine, it's kind of funny. Like down where my fog lights are.
I always think Smokey and the Bandit, like instantly. Okay, I want to know what's up with this really badly, so I have to look at it. I saw it come in. Because I saw it come in earlier and I was really curious.
Outstanding features.
Some. That's overspray.
Might be
Yeah, that's overspray.
fake carbon fiber down there.
Oh, that's sprayed on. I like that color a
Pretty
lot.
smoothly done too.
It's like a mix between Grabber Blue and B5 Blue on the Chargers and Challengers. Oh man, just wait though. The whole thing's gonna look like that in the next couple weeks, months, something. That's without any wax too.
Right. Dude, it looks great.
Like I love this color just because it pops so much.
Katie drove it, and then her adult nephew took it, which she couldn't drive it anymore, and drove it until the temp tag ran out, and then put it in a barn for 21 years. And then somebody just, I guess it must have been like, just done really well, and they basically just repainted it.
That's awesome, man.
That's amazing that it.
I think I might have to do something like that. Look at this though. Yeah. You can see out of this too.
I don't believe you. Oh, this?
Yeah, like this is all just tinted.
It's all glass, the whole.
That's
Everything's glass.
That's really cool.
Look in there, I mean, they're trying to be, you can tell it's dated, but they were trying to be futuristic, so it's really cool to see how they did it.
Like how
the handbrake's got that weird little handle. Yeah, and all that stuff.
It's really cool though. You don't see too many of these ever.
Yeah, they have carpet, like really squishy carpet up there on the dash.
Yeah.
Wow.
That's really cool. I'm not an import guy. I don't know anything about them, but I've always really liked these.
Dude, they're so messed up.
I mean, just looking at them anyways, I've always really liked
I've heard they're like incredible to drive. I normally would not pay any attention to.
Right.
But that one specifically is really interesting.
Like this
It's really unique.
Yeah. Like this kind of a show, like I look at Mustangs, Corvettes, all that stuff, like the American stuff usually, and they usually don't really look too much at any of the import stuff.
Yeah.
But these two cars, those really stand out to me. I like them. No, these are still the American ones, but they got the Holden badges.
Is that what Holden's badge?
Yeah.
Dude, I mean, this is like the ultimate machine.
I mean, if you can find one of these for 30 grand and it's a manual, they're all pretty much fully optioned out, and they're still awesome cars.
Dude, like,
I'd be all over it.
they just can't beat
No.
what they are.
I wish they would have sold more of them and kept them around, because what they could have done with it, and, I mean, you could compete with Charger, Hellcat, and all this other
So
stuff.
fat, and they handle so well.
Personally, if I had to choose between this and a Charger Hellcat, I'd pick this because it's not as common, and it's such an awesome car. They sound great.
They don't know it, man.
God, I'd love to have one of these.
I think this is fully original.
If it is, that's awesome.
I think that's why it's like this, is because it's all at the inside. Yeah, the wear. I think this car's fully original.
That's really cool.
I like it like that.
I do too.
Kind of shattering there.
Because, I mean, when you see a car like this, you think this one has a hell of a story, probably.
Oh, I bet.
It's even got a hitch. Yeah, you can pull
it
something
does.
with it. Yeah. That's cool. It doesn't fit me, but I definitely
like to have a friend with one.
Yeah, like they look so good in the front too.
Look at the syringes.
Those banners make me think of Talladega Nights every time.
This sticker is dangerous and inconvenient, but I do love picnics.
As we got away from all of the loud noises and radios and God, the music. We always park next to the truck that's playing music. I don't know
We're
how
really
it
good
just
about that.
Yeah, it just finds us. You know, it's a really
I feel
cool
like
show.
They come after us.
Yeah, they just see our cars.
Oh, there they are.
Copyright.
Well, that's also the thing, is people bring the really, really nice cars and park next to us. I
Yeah.
guess we make them look good.
Well, then again, I like pulled in there. I drove through duck shit. That was a big one. But yeah.
He like
been fun.
parked in it.
I honestly say this is the most I've actually talked to people at a car show before.
Yeah.
I never go
A lot
around
of nice
talking to
people
people,
here
but
today.
everybody's really easy to approach and talk to. It's awesome.
It's cool, even though they're older. They don't really seem to care that we're a lot younger.
It's
Car
like-
people are car people, you know?
Telling you, man, I really want to do this taillights and bumper.
Do it, dude.
I think that will look really good on my car. It'll finish it perfectly.
Go get your screwdriver. We're just gonna take this one. All of them so far have been Mustangs. Oh, wow.
See how long this goes for.
That's all of them so far.
Yeah,
Every single one so far has been
it's not going to be me though.
Ford what?
It's not
Ford
about to
what?
know.
I wonder what it is. I wonder what kind of Ford it is.
Still going.
This is the first Dodge. 12 Ford. At least 8 Ford. 2 Corvette.
He goes.
I told him I was gonna do that if you won.
He goes.
You should have went and got it. You should have, yeah.
Oh, this one went with him.
I told her. I said you should have grabbed her and took her away. You know, I do that to my wife.
Yeah.
If she's here, I'll put my dog.
Well, yeah.
Drag her in.
But she won't do it. He made an audible noise. He goes.
Okay, keeping up the tradition.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
We won that as a group.
You won it.
I'm shaking.
Congratulations.
Should have made her walk up.
Yeah, for all that noise, that would have been embarrassing.
Oh, that's awesome. Yeah. You go running up, high five the guy, you're like, yeah! So proud of you, Xander.
Yeah.
Yay!
Or did he win one? He won one, so he got...
You meet a lot of cool people at these shows. They always have a sense of humor. It's awesome.
The one dude was so funny.
Goodbye!
Honestly say I didn't expect that, but it was a good show and I met a lot of interesting people. So now we are going to go and do other things. I don't know what. But I'll see you guys back at the house. So that car show was a lot of fun. You meet a lot of cool people when you do stuff like that. I had no idea I was going to get a trophy, honestly. When you go to the big shows like that, usually I'm the one that doesn't get anything. Anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I know I said that I'd see you guys back in the garage. But I think I'm just going to go ahead and end it now so I can start editing it. And hopefully I'll make it a really cool video for you guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. And if you did, please hit that subscribe button down below and drop